Hi guys, it's me Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and today I have a double page layout to show you how to use Anna Griffin's Dream 3D frames, border and dies. They're 7 dies, they're brand new, and this is what it looks like. So this would be a border and it's got a shadow, and then this is the frames. And so I want to show you what I did with it. And if you don't have the same paper, just you could still do the same type of design, but your colors. So here's a card I made, all Anna's, glue stuck there. But people, you don't have to do just cards, or you don't have to do just scrapbooking. You can do either or junk journaling. So here is the double page layout. Here is the left side, and we're gonna do a tutorial of the right side. So I just wanted to show you. Let me actually move this out of the way, and let's put that right there so I can see it. And the paper I used, I just grabbed some paper that had embellishments, a border, and this is Anna Griffin's floral paper and embellishments. If you have that, you can use it. Also, the same kind of paper is in this Carte Noir paper crafting kit too. So you can find most of that almost in there too. Not identical, but close. So let me grab the project and get started, and I'll tell you what you need for the right side, because we already did the left. So this is a double page layout, or it can be the front of the page or the back of the page. And I already did pop dots, and it's already wanting to stick to my card. Okay. So since I have pop dots everywhere, it's sticking. So we cut one of these out, and I cut the middle out, and we used one of the middles. Okay, so we need to save the middle. We cut that. You can have your picture. The white would be your picture. You could have it that way, or you could have your photo on top. Okay. We have the gold. When you cut the die, this comes out, so I had to tape it back together. So we're going to use that, and we're going to use this one. We cut the word dream out, and I pop dotted it. We have 2 gold embellishments, and we have let's see, this is supposed to be 2 of these, not 2 of those. So I'm gonna, oh, here it is. Okay, yeah, so we have 2 of these, not the little ones. We don't need those. We have 2 of these, and they're going different directions. And then we have a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. So I cut the die. I cut this die one time, and I double layered the pop dots. Okay. Then I cut it another time, and I cut it in half, and I taped it with Scotch tape, and I cut one of her borders. The border was like that, and I cut it in half, and we're going to separate it. Okay? Alright, so let's get started here. It's going to be quick and easy. If you don't want to have the name again, since it's going to be a double page layout and it's going to be side by side, you could put a journaling card here, and everything that's on the left we're going to do on the right now, so that it coordinates. So I took this, and now I'm going to put glue. Where I send this in Florida has a lot of humidity and stuff, so I always use hot glue. I'm going to line this up and I am going to go 1 inch in, and let me make sure this is lined up, and go 1 inch in so it is straight. Okay, so then I take this one and I measure how big is this. So I'm going to start and I'm going to pull it over, and it's at the 1 inch, so I need to start at this line. So at the number 16 line on mine, because I want to give a 1 inch gap for what we're fixing to put the other one in. Just hold on, watch the whole video, and then do yours. So we're going to put it over 1 inch and line that up. And this is one pop dotted, but then we have a double layer pop dot, and it's going to go in the middle, and it's going to hide where we cut that in half. It looks like it went all the way underneath it, but it didn't. So we're going to put that right there. Okay. Now we're going to put this on, and I'm going to glue. And I know I'm going to go 1 inch down and 1 inch over. So I'm actually looking at the grid lines of this board. And then what I do is I stick that there so that you know it is for, let me just put a little piece of tape so you know to put a photo there. I have a stamp that says add photo, and that's what I will do. And I'm just going to stick that right there. So when I gift that, they know. So now let's get the next one. Remember, you can put it underneath, depending on the size of your photo. And we're going to put glue on here. I've already taken the little backings off to save time. And we are going to do the same thing, but we're going to go on the grid 1 inch over and 1 inch up and try to match it. Okay. Now this piece that we cut out of here, we're going to use right here. But let's go ahead and add tape to that so that when I gift that, they know it goes as a photo. Okay, so we're going to add this right here, and you could pop dot it, but I'm just going to add a little glue because it's going to stick right to this, and it lines up right here. Now this could be your journaling section. Let me add a little bit more glue to that. There we go. Then we had this that we cut out. And I'll show it again so you can screenshot it. And we have a pop dotted, and we are going to add it right here. Now the name Dream. So this could be a front and a back of a album. The front page and the very back page matches since we have a title on both, and we're putting Dream right in the middle. Okay. Now we're going to take the embellishments, and since this has got a lot of color and a lot of movement, we're not putting a lot of embellishments. So the embellishments are actually going this direction, like that, and we're not pop dotting it, so let's just put a little bit of glue here. And the reason why I chose these is just in case your die doesn't fit all the way to the end, you can hide it. So let's turn this the right way. I had it turned the wrong way. And let's turn it that way. Okay. Then these let's see, are these pop dotted? These are pop dotted, and I don't have it ready, so that's the one thing I didn't have ready. So we're just going to put some in the middle because I know it goes in the middle. So we're going to put 3. These are stickers, but we're not using them as stickers because if we peel off the stickers and then pop dot it, it would then have it would then get dust and hair stuck to it eventually, maybe. I don't know, but I just don't want to take that chance. So we're going to take this, and this is the direction of the flowers are going in, so we're just going to put it right about there. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing, and look how quick and easy it was to do this page. It didn't take very much time at all, and we have a double page layout. There you go. So it matches. So here is the one if you want to screenshot it. It's all on the right side, and then here is the one that matches on the left side. So that is what a double page layout looks like, and that's what it would look like in the book. So it all coordinates, it all matches. I hope you like this. And then we also have a card that looks like it too. So you don't have to do just scrapbooking. You can do cards too, or junk journals. So I hope you like this. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.